from Web-Sta Web Design and E-Marketing, and I just wanted to show you how to upload, or share rather, a YouTube video to your business Facebook page. So I've got 3 tabs open here, and this is kind of what you need to get started, just so you don't get frustrated and stuck while you're in the middle of doing the post. So I've got my Facebook page open. So this is the Web-Sta Web Design and E-Marketing Facebook page. And what we're going to do is we have a video that we've produced for a local company called Caboolture Island Self-Storage. So this particular video is an animated explainer video that we have produced for Anne-Marie, and we are looking to upload this to our social media to provide a little bit more promotion. What we also want to do is accompany the video with a little bit of context or a bit of an explanation with post. So I've already kind of written out or pre-typed out a script or a post to go with the video. So it's not just sharing the video by itself, because at the end of the day, we not only want people to watch the video, but we want to give them some context as to what the video is about and why they need to watch it. So I've just typed this out so I can actually do this in a different document. So you can do this in Word document or Google Drive document like I've done here. And so now all I need to do is copy and paste this. The beautiful thing with Facebook is that things like little emojis and ticks and stuff generally will copy across quite nicely. Sometimes they'll look a little different, but you get the gist of it. And so, yeah, so this process is pretty simple. So what I want to do first is I can either go to just the write a new post section here, and I can either upload the video directly from my computer. However, in this instance, because we have already published it on YouTube, we want to share the YouTube video itself, because the objective here is to increase the number of views this gets, therefore this video's Google rankability. So what we're going to do is come over here. There's these little icons here, and one of them is share. So I'm going to click on share, and this pop-up gives me the option of some code. So I can just click on Facebook, but that's going to open up another tab. So what I want to do here is just copy this link here. So this is a short link. So you see that it's kind of truncated the word YouTube. So what we want to do is go copy. Now this gives us a really nice, short and easy link that we can copy and paste into here. And as you can see, it's fetching a preview, and it's going to give us a bit of a screenshot of this video. So I'm just going to move this down because I want this link at the bottom of this post. So that's pretty much it. If you were just to share the video and do nothing else, that's where you would start. However, I'm going to come over here, and I want to put this text in it. You might notice I have hashtags here. Yes, hashtags are a thing. So take the time to actually think of a few. As you can see, they will link in blue once they're imported or posted into your Facebook post. You see all these little icons and emojis have come across as well, so I'm happy with those. And while I'm here, I'm just going to fix up some spacing so it's a little bit more visually pleasing. Make sure your spelling is correct. And I'm going to move that emoji. There we go. There we go. Cool. So basically, when you do post something like a video and you want people to watch them, so just make sure you're actually, using a little bit of directive wording here. So attention Caboolture, more for locals, need more space. Things like putting extra things like question marks or forward slashes do get a little bit more attention. And also things like just mixing it up between capitals and lowercase also help with the post itself sticking out amongst all of the others. So we're doing this as a bit of a promo for the storage facility, and we've mentioned the customer's name in here. Unfortunately, they don't have a Facebook page. Otherwise, I would have tagged the business page here. What I will do is I've got a little note here, video produced by us. What I'm going to do is actually go at symbol, Web-Sta, and there we are. So just making sure if you do tag another business page or a person that you are clicking and tagging the correct one. And you can usually tell by the little profile photo that just popped up there. And the reason we'd even bother doing this is because now I'm tagging our own page in this, I'll get a notification saying I've been tagged. Whereas if I was tagging, say, Caboolture Storage, they would get a notification to be tagged, but then also their audience would get a notification in their feed to say that Caboolture and Bribie Island Storage has been tagged in a post. So that's the kind of techniques that help extend the reach of your initial post. So don't just think your post set and forget. That's how you can actually adopt a few other strategies to get your post to get to a larger audience. So now that I'm happy with that, I'm now just going to go share now. Add a send message button to your post. I'm not going to do that for the time being because it's not our business. So what's happening is it's just uploading that video, and here we go. So what that's done, it's captured the little screenshot that had been selected at the time of that video being updated. It's got the car with the trailer full of stuff. And so that's it. That's the actual post. So just keep in mind in here, no one will see this bit because you're logged in. So it doesn't matter if your name is here. And that's it. So that's the first step. If you want to further promote this and you are already a member of some Facebook groups, what I suggest here, and I've proven this many a time, that this is a very, very good strategy to adopt, is you can share this. So going from here, we can actually go on to something like share. So you can share this to your personal page. I suggest always clicking on here saying include your original post. I'm just going to go to the top section. I'm still logged in as a business. That's why it's not giving me the option to log and share it onto my own personal page, but share in a group. So here I am here as a group. I have to be my name. I can't be Web-Sta. I can now type in a group. So we manage a page called Business Directory. Find it now. It's a group, sorry, it's a page. Let's go this way. So a similar kind of deal if you're going to share it to either a group or a page, another page you manage. So what you end up doing is picking whether it's a group or a page up here. I'm going to share this onto the Caboolture Business Directory that we tend to manage, and I'm making sure that this checkbox, like I said, include original post, because I want to have all this text included in what I'm about to share. So I've got the option of now, even for more context, adding a little bit of a bio in here, a little bit of a post to complement this. So I might put on here something along the lines. You might just go. Make sure it's spelled correctly. There we go. Support local business. Hashtags actually do help with reach, so that's why things like that is completely acceptable. So support local business, that fits in context because A, this is a Caboolture Business Directory page that we're sharing this to, and this business is a local business. So just by doing something like that, I might add a little emoji in here just to get a little bit more attention. Actually, I'm a bit of a fan of this one, but I'm going to put that at the start. There we go. And that's that. So once I'm finished with that, I'm happy with it. I just make sure that everything's all good, and then I'm going to go post. So now that particular post is not only on the Web-Sta page, Facebook page, but it's also on another business directory. So within Facebook. So that means that this particular post, we can come back and look at metrics to just see how much reach this has had. So as I refresh this, these metrics tend to update pretty quickly. So we'll just come back. And I know it's the most recent one, so it'll be at the top of my page. There we go. Okay, cool. So it's recognized the one share, which I've just done. Hasn't quite been up online long enough now to get many other metrics, but there it is. So yeah, so that's it. So that's how you post it from YouTube using the share link from here, using some pre-scripted stuff that you have already. So just, have a read through and just take a few cues from us in terms of what makes for a really good Facebook post. And there you have it. Hopefully that helps. Bye.